Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the assets and tools you need now. Pick a short looped video or high-frame GIF and trim audio to the same length so it syncs. Once done, install a wallpaper app or launcher that explicitly supports video backgrounds and audio playback. This avoids hacks. Make sure you allow file and media permissions when prompted, and move your files into an easier-to-find folder. Doing this upfront prevents interruptions later when you combine visuals and sound. Now you assemble the live wallpaper inside the app's interface. Import the video, then add the audio track, aligning start points so visuals and sound loop together. Once synced, choose loop mode and set playback triggers, always on unlock or while charging, then adjust the volume slider so music isn't overpowering. Export or save into the app's live wallpaper format and use the preview function. This lets you catch sync or cropping issues. Make adjustments and re-export until timing and framing look natural. Apply the saved wallpaper to the home or lock screen and test playback immediately, both on battery and while charging. If you hear no audio, make sure media permissions are granted, system volume is up, do not disturb is off, and the app isn't background restricted. If playback is choppy, reduce video resolution or frame rate, convert to a more efficient codec like H.264 and re-export. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot after changing permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.